Hi, I'm Lizzie with the Bandimere Team, and this is my Grandma Jane. So we are at her shop right now, and we were just hoping you could tell us a little bit more about your business.
Well, I bought my business 34 years ago. I've been in this spot. I bought it from Nathan Caplow, and I kept his name, Caplow Custom Frame and Restoration. I do fabric, I do metals, I do diplomas, I do oil paintings, repair oil paintings, repair old frames, lay gilding, lay gold leaf. I do restoration of torn canvases, cleaning of them and varnishing, restoration of antique frames. I can change colors on most anything on the frames. And I repair some objects depending on what they are. So I will do almost anything if it's possible. And we care much about our customers and granddaughter.